Hello, all. Today I am here to share one more story. As I have seen, I uploaded my story on YouTube and on other social media platform, and you all really like it and you gave an overwhelming response. So herein I come with one more story. It's also a true story of my life, and I hope it would be an encouragement for many people and for the learners as well. This is my purpose of sharing. Once, what happened, as now all of you know that I am from Bareilly, and when I came to Delhi to stay with my maternal mother for some time period, and then what happened, I just worked at an institute, and then I was wondering that let me just go and try over there. So what happened then, I asked them for a salary which is like more than their what they were expecting for. And but you know what happened at that time, when I was just like talking to there were like three people. One is the boss and the two other people, they were the co-assistant, and then the three were taking my interview. I was very young then. I just passed my class 12th, and then what happened it is they said we can't give you this much of salary, because what happened that I was not speaking very well, and I was making few grammatical errors, like though I was speaking all right as per their level, but I was making grammatical errors. So what happened it is I was making a lot of errors of tenses, and they were saying that ma'am, you were making the errors, so we can give you this much of salary. But I was so rigid that if I will be working, I will only be working at this, otherwise I won't be working. And I just worked over there for a month, and then what happened, once I keep on communicating and talking with them, then what happened, they finally like finalized me. Now what is the reason they finalized me as a trainer, and I have to teach small kids over there in that institute? The reason being, though I'm making mistake and I was making grammatical errors, still they finalized me. You know what was something that was there in me that they really find it appreciable is the way of like my way of dealing with the stuff. Because though I was making mistake, but still I have that much of caliber or that much of thing that I was able to make the conversation going, and I have good negotiation skills. So herein I want to share this story to encourage you that in the beginning every one of us make errors. Even I made the errors when I was learning English, even after giving IELTS. This I'm telling you the story when I already gave IELTS exam. So then also I make few grammatical errors, but still I keep on going and I keep on learning. So it is absolutely fine if you're making errors, but don't be afraid to try, because sometimes what happens, we are just afraid of trying. And then they hired me, and then after a few days I asked them, sir, why you hired me? Even I was making some grammatical errors. They said, you know how to keep the communication going on. Grammatical errors over a period of time you can improve, but the person should have good communication skills. You know how to answer back, how to question. So this is all only thing which you people also have to learn, how to make the communication going on. Even if you are making a bit grammatical errors, though your sentence structure is not good enough, it is not very fancy, your vocabulary is not fancy, but still the communication keeps on going. So this is something you should also learn, which I also learned over a period of time. I am none other like a very good speaker, so I also learned by teaching, and I am learning till date. So I suggest you also to keep on learning. This will really give you lot of positivity if you will be trying, even though you are making mistake. If you will keep on trying, a day will come when your mistakes will go away, because consistency is the key to get success for your spoken English. See you in the next video, and if you really like my video, please do like, share and comment, and do share it with your family and friends.